Hi viewers, welcome back to Viewers Infotech. In this tutorial, we will discuss HTML tags. And my previous video, we already discussed HTML introduction and we also discussed HTML static website and dynamic website. So in this tutorial, we will discuss HTML tags. So let's start our tutorial. In this tutorial, we will discuss HTML tags. And if you are watching this video at first time, please like and subscribe and hit bell icon for immediate notifications. And don't forget to share your friends. So what is HTML tag? HTML tag are like keywords, which defines that how web browser will format and display the content. With help of tags, a web browser can differentiate between HTML content and simple content. HTML tags contain three main parts: opening tag and content and closing tag. But some HTML tags are unclosed tags. In simple words, HTML tags are used to how web browser will format and display the content in a browser. So each HTML tags have different properties. If you observe here, this is the HTML tag syntax. Right left angular bracket and right angular bracket. In between, we want to write predefined keywords. Suppose I want to write HTML tag and this is the predefined keyword. In HTML, we have multiple predefined keywords. So we will discuss all tags in upcoming lessons. So all HTML tags must enclosed within a angular brackets as following tag. If you used an open tag, then you must close in a closing tag. Expect some tags. The syntax is open tag and closing tag. In between, we want to write some content. And next, coming to the types of tags. In HTML, we have two types of tags. Those are paid tags and unpaid tags. Coming to the paid tags, a tag having beginning tag and a tag having closing tag. So in HTML, we have n number of paid tags and we will discuss all tags in upcoming sessions. And next, coming to the unpaid tags. A tag doesn't have any closing tag. We can also write like this. So this is the break tag and this is the image tag and HR tag. So we will discuss all tags in upcoming sessions. Now we want to discuss heading tags. Heading tag is a pair tag. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. In between, we want to write statement or content. So this whole tag we can also call it as element. And next, coming to the attributes. Attributes is nothing but adding some extra logic in a tag. Attributes is used to how content is displaying in a browser. So suppose if you observe here, this is the opening tag of h1 and this is the closing tag of h1. In between, we want to write statement or content. And this tag we are already discussed in previous slide. So main intention is attribute. So combination of attribute name and attribute value we can also call as attribute. So attributes is used to how content is displaying in a browser. So we will discuss attributes in briefly in upcoming session. Now we will discuss examples of basic tags. First one, heading tags. Heading tags is nothing but if you want to display your project title in your web page, you need to write heading. So in HTML, we have 6 types of heading tags. If you look at here, this is the examples of heading tags. So each heading tag, we have different font size. So HTML code look like this. So this is the h1 heading tag. In between, we want to write statement. So this is the h2 and h3 and h4 and h5 and h6. So heading tags are paid tags, you know, right? So the outputs look like this. Okay. So if we observe here the h1 to h6 font sizes in HTML. So this is the h1 tag and this is the example text and this is the pixels height. So this is the default CSS. So similarly h2 and h3 and h4 and H5 and H6, we have different fonts. So if you want to take screenshot, you can take. So next coming to the paragraph tag. So viewers info tag is the #1 quality and YouTube training for candidates who want to build their future in information technology. So this is the one paragraph, and this is the second paragraph, and this is the third paragraph. So if you look at here, the HTML code and with output look like this. So if you want to write second paragraph, the output look like this. You can write n number of paragraphs in your HTML code. And next coming to the bold tag. So viewers info tag aim is providing best quality and real-time oriented training. In this paragraph, I am highlighted the viewers info tag. So if you want to highlight your font size in your paragraph or in your code, you can write bold tag. So if you look at here, this is the second paragraph. I am highlighted the like and subscribe and share. So the HTML code look like this. So you write B tag and close the B tag. B tag is a pair tag. In between you want to write statement. So it's similarly like is a bold tag. I am writing the like in between bold tag. So you know right, B tag is a pair tag. So the output like this. And next coming to the italic tag. Suppose if you want to apply the italic in your font, so you need to apply the italic. So if you observe here, this is the italic text and this is the normal text. So this text not apply italic. So the HTML code look like this. So if you want to write italic text, you need to write in between I tag. So aim is providing best quality and real-time oriented. This text italic not applicable. So if you observe, the output look like this. Viewers info tag is applied italic. Remaining words are not applied italic. And next coming to the underline tag. Suppose if you want to underline some particular text in your project, so you need to use underline tag. Suppose if you observe here, the first line is applied underline tag and second line is not applied underline tag. So the HTML code look like this. Suppose if you want to underline some particular text, you need to write in between U tag. U tag means underline tag. So the output look like this. And viewers info tag is underlined. Let's revise our session. In this session, we are discussed HTML tags and syntax. And we are discussed types of tags like paid tags and unpaid tags. And we are also discussed value of attributes. In next session, we will discuss attributes with some examples. In this session, we are also discussed basic types of tags like heading tags and paragraph tag and bold tag and italic tag and underline tag. So thank you for session. If you are watching this video at post time, please like and subscribe and hit bell icon for immediate notifications. And don't forget to share your friends.